PEMDAS, an animated explanation of the order of operations. What does left to right mean? P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M and D is multiplication and division, A and S is addition and subtraction. And those arrows mean we go from left to right. I really want you to get the hang of that today. So, what does from left to right mean in PEMDAS? There's an example and another example. The first example has the multiplication first, and the second example has the division first. It goes from left to right when it's time for multiplication and division. So when it's time for the MD part of PEMDAS, we always go in order from left to right. Let's check out a longer example. Whoa. There's no parentheses, so we're done with that step. There's no exponents, so we're done with that step. But there is multiplication and division. So that's what we work on next. Remember, from left to right. So let's examine our longer example. The division is the very first operation of the multiplication and division. Then there's a multiplication, then there's another division, and then another multiplication. Do that first, second, third, and fourth in order, one at a time, and we'll get this right. So let's solve our longer example. Again, the 4 divided by 2 will be first, the 6 times 3 next, that answer divided by 9 will be next, and then we'll multiply 5 times 7 last, then we'll move on to addition and subtraction, but here it's just addition. So we divided, we got that, we multiplied, we got our 18, we divide 18 divided by 9 and get 2, multiply 5 times 7 and get 35, and that was quick. But that's how we do it, and we get 39 for our final answer in this case. The order of operations is really important. One step at a time, everybody, from left to right.